Want to make money without leaving home during the coronavirus pandemic? Or do you want to figure out ways to make money online so that you can fund your travels when coronavirus subsides? To truly understand why I said that, you need to read the report, not just look at the headline numbers. An unemployment rate of 14.7% in the United States of America, for example, is pretty horrific, dreadful and unpleasant, but the Bureau included a note indicating that technical difficulties probably caused this number to understate true unemployment by almost 5 percentage points. I can assure you right here that in every difficulty nature will surely provide a simple way out of the woods. Take action now and click the link in the description below to have access to online digital marketing that will guarantee total freedom. This video could be taken down any moment. Mothers will be happy at home front caring for the kids and the family, while making good money and earning peaceful life from home. This is very clear to all of us now as the world faced the worst economic crisis since the Great Depression of the 1930s. Forecasters predicted that 2021 would only see a partial recovery. Lockdowns imposed by governments have forced many companies to close and lay off staff. Earlier this week, a UN study said 81% of the world's workforce of 3.3 billion people have had their place of work fully or partly closed because of the outbreak. 4 out of 5 jobs affected by virus globally. Right now I can guarantee that this online money-making system will provide money for the family. Just working few hours from home. Take action right now. Click the link in the description and have unrestricted access to an online digital marketing system you can conveniently operate from the comfort of your home. So take action now. If the first few months of 2020 has demonstrated anything, it's that you never know where the next black swan will land. Over the past 20 years, we've seen a black swan take out the technology sector, killing the stock market, a black swan take out the US housing market, killing the stock market, and a black swan masquerading as the coronavirus. The coronavirus recession, also known as the Great Lockdown or the Great Shutdown, is a severe and global recession. An economic consequence of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. The first major sign of the coronavirus recession was the 2020 stock market crash on the 20th of February, and the report on the 14th of April that all of the G7 nations had already entered or were entering into a deep recession, and that there had already been a significant slowdown of growth in emerging economies. However, once again, find solution. Click the link in the description below for a direct unrestricted access to a proving online money-making program you can operate from the comfort of your home. So take action now.